AT&T no longer owns the streaming service formerly known as HBO Max, which is now called Max. This major ownership change has significantly impacted how AT&T customers access the streaming platform. As of early 2025, AT&T has stopped providing free Max subscriptions to customers. Many AT&T plans that previously included this streaming service as a perk no longer offer it, meaning you may now need to pay the full market rate. Specific AT&T plans have been affected by these changes. The Unlimited Elite plan, which previously included a free Max subscription, has been retired and replaced with the Unlimited Premium plan that does not include the streaming service. Here's what you need to do now. First, check your current AT&T plan details to confirm whether Max is still included. If it's not included, you'll need to subscribe directly through the Max streaming service to maintain access. Finally, Warner Bros. Discovery has announced that the streaming service will revert to its original HBO Max name in summer 2025. So while it's currently called Max, it will soon be HBO Max again. When Max isn't working with your AT&T account, start with these basic troubleshooting steps. First, verify you're using the correct AT&T user ID and password that's linked to your Max subscription. If you're still experiencing issues, you may encounter specific error codes. Here are the most common ones and their solutions. Error code 103 indicates a connectivity issue with the Mac server. To fix this, unplug your device, clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your router. Error code 201 relates to account and login issues. Check your email spelling carefully or reset your password if needed. Error code 321 indicates a poor network connection. Check all cables and restart both your modem and router to resolve this issue. Error code 420 means you need to update the Max app or wait for server issues to be resolved on HBO's end. If you see a can't play title error, clear your browsing data, then uninstall and reinstall the Max app completely. If these steps don't resolve your issue, try resetting your AT&T password or contact AT&T support directly for additional assistance.